I picked up these Duracell batteries from Batteries Plus Bulbs in Modesto here. I normally buy interstate batteries, and then I thought I'd try these batteries out since these are nationwide, and if I have a problem, I can, while I'm in the motorhome, I can pull over and, you know, get them replaced or checked out or whatever. And the price was really good, a lot better than interstate batteries, so we'll see. I don't know what the reviews of them are. I don't know how long they'll last, but I thought I'll give them a try. Here I had McCoy's truck tires and alignment, align my motorhome front and back, get it all aligned so it won't wear out the tires. It wasn't off much, but it was still worth having them check it out and do a shakedown on the thing. Good company. I've been having some work done on my motorhome, getting it ready for my road trip, and I got it back. Everything's in tip-top shape, and now I'm having some tint done on it, and he's out there doing it right now. This is this guy done several cars for me. Tints to you. And he's also going to do our new office building here also. So anyway, let's see how it's going. Oh yeah, look at that. I brought that tint down 17 inches. So anyway, he's doing the tint. There it is. Tints to you. Oh yeah, that's down far enough. I like this. Then I added that mud guard down there to keep the rock chips from hitting there. And then very good. This motorhome sits on a Spartan chassis, and that gives you the ability to have this slide that goes all the way through on the other side. So I can pull it out and get to anything on the back, and I can also open the door on the other side and pull it all the way out that way also. So that's one good thing about this type of chassis right here. It really makes it handy on getting to all your stuff that you carry. This is the second one. Out of the two, these are the two that goes all the way through the belly of the motorhome. I can get it on either side. A lot of room there. A lot of room. Big difference from these diesel pushers versus the gas. So to be able to get all that storage. On this next compartment right here, this is just, I'll keep my little toolbox and some leveling blocks and whatnot. There is also a breaker box in there that runs some of the stuff inside. A lot of room, as you can see. Now this box right here, I'll keep my chairs, and there's another switch over there for the outside lights. There's some LED lights that go underneath the motorhome that you can light up at nighttime. These are those Duracell batteries that I put in, and then on top is the inverter and everything that runs the coach. There's a breaker box that runs the microwave and all the appliances in there, and my fuel filter and water filter is right there. So everything's pretty handy to get to. The air cleaner's right there too. And on this side there's a fuse box for all the 12-volt stuff, and the button there that will slide out, which you'll see right here. It'll slide out the generator. That's an 8,000 watt generator. It will run both of my air conditioners on the roof full time with no problem, and the microwave. So plenty of power. That's a diesel Ram generator too. It runs on its own battery right there. So, but the coach and my inverter charges. I have a inverter charger, charges all the batteries at the same time, but that one runs separate, but still gets charged. Pretty cool, huh? That is really neat. And then over here is on my electrical cords and my water hose, extra table. Anyway, that's automatic reel. You push a button, it reels it in with the power cord and the water hose. It's all on electric. Very simple. Everything's push button on this thing. Some more work to do on the inside. I got some curtains down that I'm going to re-string. Got to get the... let's see, I'm not sure if I shampooed the carpets on this one or not, but I'm going to shampoo the carpets before I leave. I'll have all my shades back up. There's a few other things. Got to pack in some more pots, pans, dishes, bedding. I just threw that sleeping bag down to hold the curtain things. It's got a full-size shower in there with a lot of power and water. I hold a lot. That's a real porcelain toilet. A lot of room. The slides are in right now, but both of those slides out, the bed slide and the living room slide, gives you a lot of room. I don't know why I didn't take a picture of it. Slid out. I added a few things in the refrigerator, those fans, and then I added another thermal thing to make the refrigerator get colder faster. That was a really good improvement, which I'll put a link to all those things that I bought for the refrigerator in the comment section below. But everything I've been doing is making the motorhome easier for me to deal with. There's the slides. These are hydraulic slides, so they're nice and smooth. I think I have to put some of that slide lube on them because the back one squeaks a little bit, but these aren't gear, they're hydraulic. I don't know if gear is better than hydraulic or not. This motorhome is a 2003. That's what it came with, and that was the problem I was having with it. I took it in. It took them a couple of days to figure out what was wrong. It was there's 3 slides and there's 3 solenoids, and all 3 slides wasn't coming in. The generator slide wasn't going out or coming in, and the bedroom and the living room. So I had those changed out, and now they work perfect. There's the automatic jacks. As soon as I pull the slides in, I turn on the key, the jacks come up, and we're ready to rock and roll and hit the road. I really like, on my other motorhome I didn't have these jacks. I really like having those jacks. So anyway, coming out of the warehouse, decided I haven't looked at underneath, so I took a picture of it driving out. That's what she looks like underneath. I was afraid I was going to hit my camera right here. I just barely clicked it with that rear end right there. You see where it tapped it. So there's the rig all hooked up with the Jeep, my little Liberty. There's that brush guard I put on to keep the rocks from chipping up the Jeep. She's a little dirty, but I'm getting ready to take her up to Sonora and put her back in storage. I'll be hopefully packing her up and leaving around the first week of January. But that tint, man, that window tinting came out really nice. Oh my God. When I was headed up to Sonora, the sun was in my eyes with that tint up there down 17 inches. It might be a little more than 17 inches, but anyway, I wasn't blinded by the sun. But anyway, I think she's in good enough condition to start my trip, and I won't have no problems with her. And that was my biggest concern. I didn't want to be broke down on the road. Here's that me just holding the camera while I'm driving. This is on my way up to Sonora. But see how quiet it is? I can actually listen to the radio. The motor's in the back, so it's very quiet up front. I really like that. There it is. So, got a couple little rattles inside, which all motorhomes have. But anyway, that's my motorhome. Thank you for watching.